Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's Canada's Day, so we're getting packed up. We're heading out to Brad's boat. So guys, we're at Foodland, just picking up a couple things.
Should I get 2 bags?
Yeah. How many kids is there?
4 children.
Beef jerky.
Otherwise the doors will open and you're going down the road, right?
And we're off. There's too many of them! Look right there, look. Oh, why is there a... Oh, that's sketchy. So guys, I'm wearing my blue Nike shorts as yesterday's video. But I need to get into some swimming shorts because we're gonna be there in like 20 minutes. So, oh wow, oh cool. So that was cool. I changed really quick, but I'm kind of thirsty, so I'm gonna get like a drink or a water. Water preferably because the Mountain Dew makes me have to go to the washroom, and it's hard to go to the washroom on the ship. That's Nate down there. Red boat.
He'll turn his exhaust on.
Can't hear you. Turn your noise on. So guys, we're going to that island right there. Guys, I think we found it. This is like a hot spot, and it's like 2 feet, and it drops off like around here. It drops off quick. So Nate, how's it going down there? Chocolate. So guys, this is what we got.
Jenny,
Oh my gosh, look at this.
how's your beer?
We got watermelon,
Beer, you all right?
chocolate sauce. Okay, so Nate, what do we got?
Got a hamburger with ketchup.
So guys, we're just getting ready for the night. We have our Mountain Dews.
Mountain Dew, sponsored to Mountain Dew.
I wish. They're getting ready up top. Put the curtains on earlier. We got the stereo working. Oh, we just gotta kick up the generator, and then I can charge my phone. So we'll be all good. Hear it?
Well, yeah, you can hear it, but it's not that loud.
Yes.
So we got everything planned out. I got really burnt. Have our neighbor. And I love the view. I love it. I'm getting a picture of it. So guys, we're just figuring out, I know it's very loud, we're just figuring out our sleeping. So we have an idea. Nate might be sleeping up there, and I'm gonna be sleeping down here. But we just got some quick fishing in, really nice. I got a good picky, but fell off at the last moment. I think I'm going to end it here. So see you, Nate.
See ya.
Bye, guys.
Kyle.
Lazy enemy coming up tonight, shaking the trees.